Good morning and welcome back to Mama's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very powerful coffee drink. This is good for what ails you, because this stuff is good for almost everything. My husband had some pre-cancer spots that he's trying to get rid of. He also had something on his gum line that is going away since I started making this. And his spots are going away. He had a couple on his back that looked really bad and they're fading. And the only thing that we really did was I started making this powerful drink in the morning. And we learned this from Dr. Michael Greger, and he's got two great books out, How Not to Die and How Not to Diet. And he also is on nutritionfacts.org. You can find him online, nutritionfacts.org. And he's a very good doctor, very good scientist. And he talks about, let me see if I can say the word, turmeric. I think is how you say it, turmeric powder. And he talks about it in a lot of his videos, and he also talks about it in these books. So you don't even have to buy the book to find out the nutrition value of turmeric. Now, my sister drinks it in a tea, and she drinks it because of joint pain, because turmeric is a very good joint pain reliever, especially when you mix it with black pepper. And so black pepper is very important when you use this because our body absorbs this better with black pepper. And you just need a little bit of black pepper in your drinks. And turmeric is the highest antioxidant food that you could ever eat. It's even outbeats blueberries. And I'm a big eater of blueberries. I love blueberries, but this stuff even outbeats that. You can get this on Amazon. Okay, and then I put them in these little ones from the store. When they're empty, I just fill it. But this one's not empty. Work your way up to this, okay? You might not want to start out all at once on this, but I put 1 teaspoon of turmeric. For flavor, I add some cinnamon, and I have my little half a teaspoon in here, and I don't fill it completely full, so it's probably like an 1/8. We like cinnamon, so I put a little bit of stevia for sweetener. Sprinkle just a little bit of stevia, especially if it's pure stevia. If it's the same as you buy in stores, they'll say use this as like you do sugar. So they'll say a teaspoon of sugar to a teaspoon of stevia. But this is pure stevia. You just need a little bit, and that you can also get this on Amazon. And then I just sprinkle a little bit of pepper, not much, in it. And the reason why I changed from sprinkling a lot of pepper in here, like an 1/8 of a teaspoon for a teaspoon of turmeric, is because we bought these on Amazon, and these are actually pepper pills. And then that way it's not such a bite in your coffee. And we just take this along with our turmeric. We'll take this with a glass of water. And what I told you earlier, it takes and helps you absorb what's in the turmeric that you need to keep in your body and not just pass through your kidneys and out, because you want to keep this in your body throughout the day. So pepper does that. Okay? So, and you can find that on nutritionfacts.org with Dr. Michael Greger, or Greger, I think you say it just Greger, but wonderful doctor for every illness that you might have. Cancer, pre-cancer spots, whatever, joint pain, back pain, which my husband is in a lot of pain with his back, so we're hoping this will start clearing it up, and I'll let you know in my later videos if that helped. And then you just take a blender, or I have my stick here I'm gonna use, and you kind of just make your milk, just mix it up in your milk. So good. It kind of tastes like a coffee mocha without the calories. So, and then I just take and fill this up to about 1.5 cups of coffee. Now I already got the milk in there, so I'm not going to count that. So I might take and just give it another shot of the blender after pouring the coffee in. And this stuff does stain really bad. So be careful if you're wearing nice clothing that you don't get it on your clothing. I have noticed though that it does wash out. Most of the time I don't have any stains. If I do get it on my clothing, it does usually wash out in the wash machine. But I noticed my kitchen utensils get stained by it, and how I get that clean a lot of times is just by a little bleach water and run it over it, and it cleans right up. So I mean, it's not going to hurt anything, so I guess you could just leave it if you wanted to. Look at that. And then if it's not warm enough for you, just put it in your microwave for like 30 seconds and it'll be nice and piping hot. But this, I love it just like this. So have a wonderful day, and I hope that you learned something today. Bye.